Hey everyone, today in this session I will be discussing the three specific and most important components of Java, that is JDK, JRE and JVM. We must understand the differences between JDK, JRE and JVM before proceeding it up further because they exactly will help you to understand how a Java program actually runs. I'll first talk about JRE. JRE is basically a Java runtime environment, also written as Java RTE. Java runtime environment provides all the libraries, the Java virtual machine and the other components used to run the application written in Java. It is used to provide the runtime environment, and JVM is also actively released by Sun Microsystem and also will help you to understand how the installation of the packages needs to be provided at the runtime environment. So JRE is equals to the JVM plus all the set of libraries and other additional files required to run your program. JRE does not contain tools and utilities, it just contains the libraries and the JVM inside it, such as compilers or debuggers for the developing applets and applications at the utilities. It does not contain by the JRE. JRE is just a simple JVM plus all the class libraries. Whenever we write any Java source code, which will be saved with the extension of .java, that needs to be compiled into the Java bytecode. Bytecode is a dot class. As if you remember, I told you Java is portable. We write the code once and run anywhere. So whatever source code you write, compile and convert it into this bytecode. So this bytecode is actually portable. You can run this bytecode anywhere, and this bytecode will help you to load it onto the JVM, where the three layers resides: hardware, operating system, and over the top of the operating system all the Java virtual machine libraries resides, which gives you the runtime environment to execute your bytecode. Next, as I discussed, I'll tell you all the components is JDK. JDK is nothing but a kit that provides the environment to develop and execute the Java program. It is a kit that includes two things. One, it includes the development tools to provide an environment to develop your Java program, and another is the JRE. So JRE equals to JDK plus libraries and JDK equals to JRE plus development tools. And JDK is equals to JVM plus set of libraries plus other additional files plus development tools. So JDK contains the Java runtime environment, also interpreter to interpret your Java into the bytecode, and the compiler, that is Javac, the jar, and many more. It also contains some toolkits, integration libraries, other base libraries, lang and util base libraries and other. These are the components that JRE needs to be stored, but as I told you, JDK is equals to the JRE plus development tools. So all libraries are provided to the JDK by the JRE. So this is how the JDK contains the JRE. JRE is equals to JVM plus class libraries plus the development tools like compilers, debuggers and Java docs. This is the integration of JVM plus JDK and JRE. This is Java Standard Edition API. JDK is equals to whatever toolkit we require for development, integration libraries, other base libraries and the language and util based libraries. But you can see here, this is all combination of JDK plus the development toolkits as well. So see you in the next session to tell you more about how a Java code is executed and writing our first Hello World program. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you. See you in the next session.